I love you so much.
I know you love me.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
You have been telling me that you know how to cook fufu and ero.
Yeah, I know how to cook very well.
Really?
Very well. Yes.
Don't you think that is a very good idea for us to go to the market
Okay.
and buy the ingredients to prepare fufu and ero?
Okay.
You come to my house.
To your house?
Yeah, you come to my house and prepare it. I need to taste your food to know
Okay,
how
no problem. No
delicious
problem.
your food is.
No problem.
So we'll go to Mama Marital, we'll get palm oil,
Good meat, crayfish.
What else?
Maggi crayfish, fufu.
Fufu.
Yeah.
I love fufu.
Okay, no problem.
That is a good
With stockfish.
Stockfish.
Yes.
That would be nice.
Okay.
Yes, we'll buy, then we'll go to my house, you prepare it there.
Okay.
Yes, then, because I need to taste your food. I need to know how good you can prepare food.
Okay, which day do you want?
We'll go today.
Okay, no problem. I'm free, no problem.
You're free?
Yeah, I'm free, no problem.
That's nice. Then we need to go.
Hey, Sister Grace, please, I heard something. Can you bring it closer? Please, increase the volume.
Oh, Lord.
Let me start it.
Who invited you here?
Come and cook in my house. My sister, run! Jesus! Because he will eat the food and eat you. Oh my God! I'm sorry, my brother. I cannot. Please, if you want to eat my food, come to my father's house and eat the food. Exactly. I will cook you more delicious than you. I know you love me, but if you love me, come to my father's house. Tell my father that I love your daughter, and you take me away. To make his intention. Make your intention known.
Who said you here? Who said?
Please, if you want to eat this food, come to my father's house. Please, I don't want. Please. You will eat me. If you want to look for a wife, you will go somewhere else. Please, I beg, I beg, brother. Shame on you. I shower.
You know I love you so much.
I know you love me, but come to my father's house. I don't want.
If I catch that lady, I will break her head. All my effort. My arrow. Come on, cook my arrow down. Cook my arrow.